napakadami nakakuha ng puntos whenever she is in the front row.
And this is going to be a chance ball here for Zeus Coffee. They extend their lead. One more chance. Reverse to Troncoso. That gets away from Bank Pineda. Permentilla, kung walang mga silya doon.
Yeah, kaya niyang kuhanin.
A very good start for the team that is playing catch-up.
May Luna subbing in for Kiara dahil kanina nababantay na si Kiara ng mga blockers and parang nakikita din natin yung frustration sa kanya na hindi na siya makakuha ng puntos.
Bank Pineda passing it to Mangulabnan. Ebon also had a strong start today. Pineda again with a save. And that's a good point by Luna. Magic bunot right away.
May Luna was ready for that tip. Good placement on the drop ball.
Road ahead for next lead. Medyo lopsided itong set 4. Ang bilis.
Yeah. Quick side out for Zeus Coffee gamit. Kanina pa natin nakikita itong mga slide attacks na hindi nakaka-check itong 12 points for Zeus Coffee.
Good first ball. Luna pushing the ball in.
Oh, Jov
Habol na naman ni
Gonzaga.
Jov. Nagpaparami din si Jov ng defense ng digs eh. Luna is blocked. Solid. Oh, may block point pa ngayon si Jov.
Siya pa yun lang siya sa pwesto for the block. But take a look at that. Down the line mark.
Halos wala
Wala
pa
lamang nung kalaban pero as much as possible, huwag kayong bumitaw as a team.
That's 5 straight points for next lead. Luna again. Call back. Almonte with a save. Gagate pushes the ball in. Ebon timing it. Oh! 6.60 run. What he's seeing. In spite of this humongous lead still by Zeus.
Oo, tas mas nakikita mo yung confidence ng hitters ngayon.
I got the serve specialist Dolly Versosa in to maybe serve. Point of the match. Wala pa. Let's see, it's still match point. Nice push. And Pascual will be credited for the winning point. But it was really the team effort of Zeus Coffee in the PVL.
That's right. And actually, it was Pascual who scored.